Most of the satellites died not because they are malfunctioning. They stop functioning in space because they run out of fuel. NASA is experimenting with trying to refuel it. But how do you refuel a satellite in space? NASA's been exploring using a robot. This lab is the robotics lab for Center for Automation Technologies and Systems. We have a project with NASA Goddard. Our part of the research is to specifically looking at transporting a massive satellite. We're planning out that whole motion to make sure you can safely transport this massive load and then accurately align with the berthing post and security docking. There are lots of different ways to offset gravity. But you can do this, for example, through simulation, or you can do it in a planar kind of simulation using air bearing. Basically, it's like an air hockey table.
It is really great to, actually be working with NASA on a project that there's a chance that what we're developing is actually going to be used.
The prospect of having what you work on get sent into space or be used for space applications is really cool. A lot of what we do is algorithm development, and hopefully it can be applied to a lot of different systems.
It's getting increasingly difficult to fly heavy payload into the orbit. So when we talk about lunar mission, Mars mission, etc., increasingly the assembly will have to be done in space. So such kind of robotic technology as we're doing now will be a foundation for such work in the future.